Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to extract multiple images from Excel. Okay. Now see this example. See this Excel document. Simply you go to File, Save as, select your location. I example select desktop. Type extract multiple images from Excel. This title. You select entire workbook totally or select present sheet. I select present sheet. As you wish, you select any options. Simply save, publish. Okay. Now see this folder, extract multiple images. Open your folder. Now see this already automatically extract all photo. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.